And tonight, we're talking about the 5 engine cars that make this train unstoppable. Tonight, we're breaking down the 5 systems of sovereignty, right? And I'm going to show you how each system is a critical engine car on your fired up train. Now, I know what you're thinking. Final boss, the fired up train again? Why, yes, of course, again. And I'm going to break it down to you this time. Just this time, right? The fired up train is your life moving at maximum velocity toward